up everyone? So today we're in a place called Jodhpur. Once again we're still in Rajasthan. This place was a 7-hour train ride from Jaipur. We ended up coming on a train that was third class with AC. That's the only class we could get because we booked it too late. Yeah, but it was great. We've had some good experiences on third class actually, meeting the locals. Even had nice locals buy tea for us and stuff. So yeah, so definitely no complaints there. And right now I'm starting the video off on the rooftop of the guest house that we're staying in. And I'm starting it here because yeah, we got some amazing views. So check this out for a view of the city. Looks crazy, just so many houses, literally just thousands and thousands of houses. And then you got the best part, which is the epic fort up there, which we're probably gonna check out later on. Look down here as well, it's pretty cool. You got like the ceramics and stuff on top. People drying their clothes. Yeah, it looks like there's a lot of stuff going on down there. So right now the plan is we're just gonna head down, walk around the city a bit. Later on we'll check out that fort like I said. But yeah, right now just walk around with no real plan and see what this place is like. So we've already come up to another rooftop of another hotel that has a restaurant, that hotel there. I got some more food that I've never tried before. So this is called, not sure how you say that, aloo gobi adrak, and yeah, 160 rupees. And also got a mango lassi for 60 rupees. This place also has some amazing views, look at that. As usual, I also got some masala chai, and that was 50. And here's some naan bread, that was 50 as well. Carol's gone Western style with the pancake. Carol's not got much energy today, right? After yesterday.
Yeah, I need more sleep.
Tell them what happened.
Our train got delayed for 5 hours, I think. So we got here at 1 a.m. or something.
And we were supposed to get here at 7 p.m, right?
Yeah, so...
We basically arrived here today, in the morning. Yeah, zero sleep. This guy's having his breakfast as well. Hello. Hello. Nice to meet you. Hello. So we've had a change of plan. First we're gonna head to the fort because it's actually the closest thing nearby. This is a very different place compared to everywhere I've been before. Check this out, you got these like cool paintings here along the side. And just everywhere here is alleyways, so I don't think I've ever been to a place like that before. So we're inside the fort now. It's called Mehrangarh Fort. We got our tickets. It was 600 rupees per person, and you also get this audio tour included, so that's cool. And this fort was built in 1460, so extremely old. And from what I read, I think it's one of the biggest forts in India. The other ones that we've been to so far have been pretty massive, so if this is one of the biggest ones, yeah, I think we're going to be here for a few hours. The Brazil national anthem.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So there's also a museum in this place. We just came into the museum. The buildings and architecture here is absolutely amazing. So this part here is like showing the elephants and stuff. So obviously a big part of India's history and culture. The elephants. I guess this is what you put on top of the elephant to sit in. They have quite a few of them around here. Oh, this is a fancy one, check this out. This is for the king and queen. Elephant howdah. Spot called Mahal, which is Palace of the Flowers. So this was built in the 18th century. This is on par with what we saw in Jaipur. Looks just as incredible, maybe even more incredible. You can see all the gold, mirrors everywhere. Seemed to have some chairs there, I guess. Must have took a long time to design all this. Complicated, right? Yeah, so many details, crazy. So we've now got some views of what is called the Blue City, which is one of the most famous things here in Jodhpur. So really cool view here. You can see the fort walls, and that is the Blue City right there. You can see all the blue houses. So I've met with some YouTubers, Indian YouTuber, right?
We are from Rajasthan. We have
Indian
an
YouTuber,
channel.
Indian YouTuber.
Him too?
1+ million subscribers in your channel.
1 plus?
1.5 million subscribers. We have an
You both?
yes,
1.5 million?
1.5 million subscribers.
Oh wow. And it's comedy, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And comedy videos. We make these.
What's the name of the channel?
Murari ki cocktail.
I don't know that.
Murari ki cocktail.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन प्रेस करें ताकि नई अपडेट आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिले.
Okay, thank you.
Will Indians understand what you said?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
अंग्रेजी बोल यार, मेरा तंग अंग्रेजी.
Okay.
Press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, nice to meet you too. Have a nice day. So we have now come down to the Blue City side. I think the tuk-tuk cost us about 80 rupees to get here. And yeah, this place is just so different once again. Like I said before, the part that we're in, it's like these little alleyways. And yeah, you can already see everything's a lot more blue now. Really cool. So many little alleyways everywhere. Looks pretty beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Look at that color. Hello. Look at this window here as well. Hey Carol, I like how quiet Jodhpur is.
It is, yeah.
You barely see anyone, right?
The quietest city
We've been to, yeah. You see a lot of locals, and everybody's really friendly here.
Yeah.
And one thing we've noticed, they don't stare that much like
No,
in other
I'm
places.
Comfortable. I feel comfortable here, walking around.
Yeah, so awesome place to visit. Just look at this right now, so different. Whoa! He doesn't like you, the dog. Photo. Hello. So what's your name?
Pawan.
Pawan. Yours?
Hello.
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 Hello, nice to meet you.
Hello. Hello, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
You all live here? It's video. Video, yeah. How old are you all? No, age.
Age 14 साल.
How?
14.
14.
14.
14.
You?
15.
15. Not them. Hello.
13. Hello.
Nice to meet you, everybody. Photo, everyone. Wait. There we go. Here. The kids get so happy, right? With tourists there.
They like when they see tourists.
Yeah. So we just come to the Rooftop cafe, right? Much needed cold drink, Pepsi. That was 40 rupees. This place is called Raj Mandir. And some more nice views as usual. So here you can see the other side of the fort. There's actually a temple up there. We didn't go to it, but yeah, you can visit that too. And if you look inside this restaurant, even everything here is blue, even the chairs. Yeah, definitely Rajasthan, Jaipur and Jodhpur I think have been the best things of our trip, right? The best moments. Yeah, so far. It's super hot here as well because we're right on the edge of a desert. I think it's called the Thar Desert. We're actually going to head into there tomorrow, so we've never been to a desert before. And yeah, the next videos are going to be some desert videos, so should be awesome. Whoa, look at the size of these guys. Jesus Christ. Look at that guy. Whoa. That's a bull, right?
I don't know.
Is that a cow or a bull? I don't know. Follow the leader. The tour guide. You know the name? Jal. Lila. No. So we've just been walking around. We decided to walk back to where we're staying. It's about a 30-minute walk from the Blue Stadium. I got some bananas here, I think for 30 rupees. And we also come across this cool thing here. I think you call them a stepwell. So I think they're pretty common in India, but I hadn't seen one so far. Look at that. Just chilling. When you walk around in India, it's literally just things happening every second, right?
Yeah. Everything happening.
Yeah. Probably see that we film quite a lot of the craziness and the funny things happening, but obviously when we're not filming there's just so much going on all the time. It literally is every second when you're walking around, so kind of what makes India special for tourism, I guess. Completely different to any other country. We personally haven't seen anything like this anywhere else anyway. And yeah, just so many beautiful things as well. Alright, back at the guest house where we're staying. It is sunset hour now, just on our balcony. You can probably hear the Indian music on loudspeaker somewhere. So yeah, check it out at sunset time. Music's coming from over there somewhere, but that's crazy loud. Here's our window here. Boo. You don't want to join the rave outside? The whole city. You good with the AC? Alright, I'm going back to my rave. So I'll just show you the room that we've been staying in quickly. I think this was $14, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I like the painting.
yeah, the paintings are cool. Check this. Paintings on the wall. Got some Indian chick over here. And even here is all like detailed and stuff, all the designs. And then in here we got the bathroom. Also some funky designs here. Even the toilet seat, check that. I'm not even sure of the name of this place because it's just on Airbnb. Doesn't seem to be like a hotel or anything, so. What is it showing there?
Inda Heritage.
Is that it? Inda Heritage. Yeah, but I think if you search that on Google Maps, you can't find it, so. Yeah, I don't know. If you want to find this place, I don't know how you're going to do it, but $14, pretty good, I think. And yeah, that's it. So just another amazing day in India. This vacation has definitely took a turn for the best. Obviously, we had a really rough start in Delhi, but it seems to just be getting better and better now as we've moved on to other places. And we're just so excited for the next place, I think it's called Jaisalmer, the desert. But like I said earlier, we've never visited the desert before, so yeah, that's gonna be awesome. Might even be a few videos from there because we're gonna be there for 3 days, I think. So yeah, that's what's coming up. As always, just thanks for watching. Drop a like on the video to support us, and we'll see you in the next one.